Oh, whoops. It's 8:33 a.m. and now we're just waiting for Corey. Anyways, these people next to me just pulled up in this.
Oh boy. Where are my sunglasses?
Those guys just pulled up in that, all excited. They just rented it.
What? That?
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
What is that?
Oh, it's like
It's the perfect
like
car for this place. So this is, I came last night and took pictures.
Yeah.
And I'll try to put them up with what it looks like in the daytime. Well, here we are. New battery, new location in Arches National Park. Did you just groan?
No, I said, oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We're in a new location. Now well, you'll see. We're going to the Delicate Arch.
We're going to the Delicate Arch
We're
viewpoint.
going to Delicate Arch viewpoint.
Because I was not feeling like we could tackle the 3 mile, 480
Is it 3 mile out and back?
Probably.
Oh. Yeah, well it says on there, the trail's difficult. And Corey's like, oh, it says it's difficult, but like you don't need crampons and.
What the hell's a crampon?
They're used for like
shoes.
ice climbing and ice.
Oh,
it's not that bad, Cora. Not that bad.
I think it's warm. But...
I mean, it's warm. We are in the high desert. Not to be confused with the standard or low desert.
You need to start doing a little bit, working your ankle strength. Notice that they're not.
I stepped on the side of the thing there. It slopes down. I didn't roll my ankle. It slopes down. I stepped on a slope.
No, I've noticed. Okay, I watch you walk.
She watches me walk.
My ankles need some. Try some yoga. Try some.
Yes, yoga's.
Probably. I'm not kidding.
You're kidding.
There's a lot of ankle work.
That is cool up there. We're gonna try to walk up to there. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. There's Delicate Arch in the distance. So you can see right here, the line. It's where they glued the rocks together.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, yep. Whew, Corey's not gonna come over here. We just left something arch. Broken arch. Even though it wasn't broken. We have 1 or 2 more. We are done with this park for the day.
Can I walk in front of you, please? You're kicking up dirt.
Cool little place though. I see why there's lots of people here.